Hey guys, my name is Pranav, and today we're going to check about everything you need to know about Bitchat. So, what is Bitchat? So, Bitchat is basically a messaging app that is created by Jack Dorsey, a co-founder of Twitter, also called as X. This Bitchat app is a messaging app that works online and offline both. Okay, you can use it at events in remote areas or even during network outages. You don't require any SIM, you don't require any Wi-Fi, you don't require any internet, you don't require number. You all of these things which I just shared, you don't require to use this app. So that's the amazing thing about it. Okay, so let's check out how Bitchat works. So basically, Bitchat connects directly with nearby devices using Bluetooth and other local wireless technologies, but Bluetooth is primary. It means that your messages go from one phone to another phone, okay, until they reach to the person. So there's no central server required. Okay, there's no central server in between. Only the person who is in the range, and let's say another person is in the range, but he is farther away. In between, if you have a couple of other persons who fall in between that range, that means you can send the message to that particular target person without requiring any internet. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Okay, so let's what is the flow? Yeah, flow is very simple. You install the app and you just set your name. Probably for proper finding, you should set your full name so that the other person should know that it's you only that they want to send the message to, and then you just start chatting. That's it. And the features of Bitchat works without internet. You don't require any internet to use this app. Easy to join. You just set your name and that's it. Private message, yeah, you can do a private message, but I wouldn't recommend that because this is early development of this app. Public by default, yes, which basically means that there are open chat rooms, everybody can see what is going on. Okay, there's nothing hidden there. Emergency wipe, yes, if you have a chat history that you want to wipe it out on the go, you can. There is a feature for that as well. Works on both platforms, yes, it works on iPhone as well as on Android. Advanced feature for techies, yes, if you are a techie guy, then yes. So is Bitchat secure? Yeah, Bitchat is secure, but I would not recommend this to use as a sensitive information to spread out the sensitive information. For example, this software is in early development stage. Once it is fully tested and developed, it is available, but it is not fully tested, because in generally what happens that when the softwares are generally available, they go through a lot of feedback, and once that is done, because they have to be tested for all the devices, right? So once that is done, then you can maybe use it for sensitive information, but as of now I would suggest not to use this app for sending sensitive informations. Okay, and then we can talk about availability of Bitchat. So Bitchat is available in iPhone, I guess, yeah, and it is also available in Android, but in some regions it may not be available, and for the time being, until it becomes available, because there may be some approvals pending with publisher. So that's the reason why they have this official app present. Like they just made the APK available in the GitHub thread, which you can just come up here and go. Like if you can visit my website and click on this to get the Bitchat APK. Okay, just click on download, that's it. Conclusion is basically what is that if you are stuck in a crowded area where you are not able to access the internet, sometimes we are in the remote area where internet does not work, then in that case what you can do is you can have this app, and once people know the importance of this app, everybody will keep this app installed in their device. And if somebody is in need and you get the message in Bitchat, then you just have to you can figure out that somebody in a need for so and so reason, then you can help them out in that way. So that's the biggest breakthrough, because obviously not all the times internet will be available. Okay, so that's my take on Bitchat. So okay, before we go there guys, I also have one more update. There is one section that I've added, which is basically watch my latest videos. So basically what will happen here is that through this only directly you can watch my videos. If you can just play YouTube videos over here. So that's the
As
plus. Okay, for any, through right through this blog also you can watch the videos, or if you want to go to YouTube channel, you can also click here. Besides of that, guys, I also provide services which we will just check out in a minute. Okay, if you are stuck in a issue like SSL migration and restore servers, website troubleshooting, WordPress core file replacement, or email setup, or want any consultancy at a very cheaper cost, then you can hit this URL and click on send us a request now button, and I will be able to help you at a very cheap cost. Also, if you see, I also have a tool section where you can utilize the tools that you want to. For example, if you want to know what's my IP, you can just search what's my IP and you get to you get the tools and you can use them. Okay, and if you want any if you want to contact me for any business purpose, you can contact me through this form. Just fill up the form and hit the send button. Also, if you want to support me, you can support me using this buy me a coffee. You can buy me a coffee by scanning this code. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.